Hello mga kalasa, this is Malasang Pinoy Channel again, and we are going to cook another special recipe today. It's beef back ribs, and it's 1.740 kilograms, and it costs $27.82 at famous wholesale in Canada. So I don't have a bolo or a cutting machine to cut this beef back ribs because it's kinda matigas ang buto-buto. So iluluto natin siya as is. And the ingredients we have is I have ginger, I have onions, and I have green onions, and of course we have a carrots. Oh, oh, say hi muna. This is my little chef, Kid Brandon. Stop picking your nose. Okay, say hi. Hello. Oh, say hi to everyone. Okay. You are going to help me? Yes. Okay. And of course, we have the star anise. So I just want to put like a piece of anise. Kasi yung mga bata, minsan yung pag nalalasan, hindi na nila kakainin. Let's start cooking now. So, okay, gagamit tayo ngayon ng pressure cooker para mapalambot natin ang beef. So, all you have to do, lalagyan lang natin siya ng water, pakukuluan lang natin ang ating beef. But, hindi na natin siya huhugasan. So at this time, we are going to saute all the ingredients like the ginger, onions, carrots, and we have some soy sauce here, seasoning, pepper, brown sugar, and also the beef stock. After an hour na pagpapakulo ng ating beef, simulan na natin ang ating pagluluto. So, I forgot I have 2 pieces of star anise here. I have a hoisin sauce. So, ang option natin, dahil wala tayong hoisin sauce, maglalagay tayo ng cornstarch. Okay? So, start. That's turning on. Yan. Ang gagamitan natin ng oil, ito yung pinagtostahan natin ng garlic. So, meron ako ditong toasted garlic para pang-garnish later. And, lagyan na natin ng oil. Yan. Para sutin natin yung ating onion. Okay. Lagyan na natin yung onion. Next natin is ang ginger. Ayan. Next na natin yung carrots. Ayan. And lagay na natin yung ating beef. Ayan. Hindi na natin siya hiniwa dahil wala na tayo panghiwa. Ayan. So, after 2 minutes, ito nang gamitin natin ng tong para magbaliktad natin. Then, after that, lagay na natin yung beef stock. Yes, not a spring roll here. Lakasan natin yung apoy. So, lalakasan na natin yung apoy. Ating palalambutin pa ulit natin. So, wala tayo bay leaf today. So, dapat may bay leaf siya. Okay? 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Lagyan natin ng pepper. Seasoning. And also beef cubes. Ayan. So, tatakpan natin siya. Sisimmer natin for about 20 minutes. Okay, remove na natin yung ating lid. Para lagyan natin ng brown sugar. So, after brown sugar, hindi na natin siya tatakpan. Put brown sugar. This is organic one. Halo-halo lang. Add now the cornstarch. There you go. Look at that. Juicy and full of bones. Look at that. It's ready to eat. Tatatanggal na siya sa buto. Oh. Separate. We have to garnish the green onions. Also the garlic toasted or toasted garlic. Yan ang aking beef full of bones for tonight. Malasang Pinoy. Okay. So, maglalagay tayo na. There you go. Wow, yummy. Ayan. There you go. Tara, kain na tayo. Mga kalasa, this is Malasang Pinoy style. So this is our finished product. This is our finished product of beef full of bones. Yan. So tara mga kalasa, thank you for watching and thank you for your support. So don't forget to click subscribe and share this recipe. It's a very simple. Yummy.
Ang sarap.
Wow.
Thank you, Dada.
You're welcome.
Salamat.
Walang anuman.
Please subscribe and click the button and leave a like Don't forget to share this recipe. Bye!
Family, food, love, and adventure. Follow and subscribe at Malasang Pinoy Channel.